그리고 as a leader, he wants to say something to you guys.
Okay, wait.
He needs some time, so.
Okay, my people, my happy, come to here for so happy. Wait. We
파이팅.
we are
authentic.
we are all time meet you we want, and fortunately today we met and all members so happy. Just little nervous, but
Kyle's not nervous. Definitely. He's not nervous.
I'm never nervous.
are you?
Are you?
오늘 지금 이 순간을 오늘 이 순간을 여기 계신 에피 여러분들하고 행복한 추억을 남겼으면 좋겠습니다.
Hey, yo, translate.
Hey yo, translation.
I'm nervous.
You say you're never nervous!
As he said that he wants to make memorable moments with our artists today, so please enjoy all the stages and thank you for coming today.
Mr. Joe,
Genius.
success.
Success. Such a big success.
Congratulations. 괜찮았어요?
너무 잘했는데?
Such a
Well, like at Korea and even in Japan, mostly Karam used to speak. And it's really awkward that I'm saying something in front of you guys, but anyways, thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming here. And please, let's have some fun later. All right? And
이따 봐요. See you later.
see you later.
See you soon.
See you soon. 빨리 봐요. 안녕.
Bye bye.
안녕. 사랑해요.